Have you ever felt nervous talking to a teacher on the phone? Today I'll show you exactly what to say so you can sound confident and natural. Stay until the end for useful vocabulary and phrases, and if this helps you, please like and subscribe. Let's get started.
Hello, is this Lily?
Yes, this is Lily speaking. Who is calling, please?
Hi, Lily. This is Mr. Anderson, your English teacher. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time.
Oh, hello, Mr. Anderson. No, it's okay. I was just studying. Is everything all right?
Everything is fine. I'm calling to talk about school and to check how you're doing. I noticed you've been a bit quieter than usual in class lately.
Yeah, I guess I've been a little stressed. There's been a lot of homework and projects from different classes.
I understand. This time of year can be really busy. I wanted to make sure you're not feeling overwhelmed and to see if there's anything I can help with.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. I really appreciate that. I've been trying, but sometimes it feels like too much.
That makes sense. Let's take it one step at a time. First, how are you feeling about English class right now?
I like the class and the lessons, but I'm worried about the upcoming presentation. Speaking in front of people makes me nervous.
That's completely normal. Many students feel that way. You actually participate well when you do speak, so I know you can do it. What exactly worries you the most?
I'm afraid I'll forget what to say, or that my classmates will think I sound silly.
I promise you, nobody is gonna think that. Everyone is focused on their own presentations. And remember, making mistakes is part of learning. Even I sometimes make mistakes when I speak.
Hearing that makes me feel a little better.
Good. Also, you don't have to do it perfectly, just do your best. Have you finished preparing your presentation yet?
I'm still working on it. I have my ideas, but I'm not sure if my structure is good.
How about this? If you'd like, you can send me your draft and I'll check it for you. We can make it stronger together.
Really? That would help so much. Thank you.
Of course. That's what I'm here for. And one more thing. We're going to practice speaking in small groups in class before the real presentation. That way it won't feel so scary.
That sounds helpful. I think practicing will make me more confident.
Exactly. Confidence grows when you practice. Besides the presentation, is there anything else you've been having trouble with?
I've been a bit behind on my reading assignments. I didn't want to say anything because I didn't want you to think I was lazy.
I would never think that. Sometimes life gets busy. Thank you for being honest. How about we make a plan so you can catch up without too much pressure?
I'd really like that.
Okay, try reading a little every day instead of all at once. Even 10 to 15 minutes helps. And if anything is confusing, just ask me.
I will. It really helps knowing that you understand.
You're doing better than you think. Sometimes we are too hard on ourselves. You are smart, hardworking, and capable.
Thank you, Mr. Anderson. That means a lot.
One last question. How are things outside of school? Are you getting enough rest and time to relax?
I'm trying. My parents also remind me to take breaks, but I still feel pressured sometimes.
That's normal. Just remember, your health and well-being are more important than any assignment. If school ever feels too much, talk to someone, me, your parents, or another teacher.
I will. Thank you for caring.
Always, you're not alone, and you're doing great. I called today not to worry you, but to encourage you.
I'm really glad you called. I feel lighter now.
I'm glad to hear that. So our plan is send me your presentation draft, read a little every day, and take care of yourself. Deal?
Deal.
Wonderful. If you need anything, you can email me anytime. I'm happy to help.
Thank you so much, Mr. Anderson. I really appreciate it.
You're very welcome, Lily. Have a good evening, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Now let's take a moment to review some useful phrases that will really help you sound confident and natural. Who is calling, please? Who is calling, please? Is a polite way to ask who is on the phone. Example: who is calling, please? I'll let her know. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time. I hope I'm not calling at a bad time is a polite way to say you hope you are not interrupting someone. Example: I hope I'm not calling at a bad time, but I need your help. I've been a bit stressed. I've been a bit stressed is a way to say you have been feeling worried or under pressure. Example: I've been a bit stressed because I have too much homework. One step at a time. One step at a time is a phrase that means do things slowly and calmly without rushing. Example: don't worry, take it one step at a time. That's completely normal. That's completely normal is a phrase used to say that something is common and nothing is wrong. Example: feeling nervous before a presentation is completely normal. I appreciate that. I appreciate that is a polite way to say you are thankful for someone's help or kindness. Example: thank you for listening. I really appreciate that.
That helps a lot. That helps a lot is a way to say that the information or support is very useful. Example: thank you for explaining. That helps a lot. You're not alone. You're not alone is a comforting phrase that means other people understand and support you. Example: don't worry, you're not alone. We are here to help. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself is a phrase used to tell someone to look after their health and well-being. Example: don't work too hard. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you back here for the next video.